Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to maintain a healthy ketogenic diet on a small budget. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that is gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. However, following a ketogenic diet can be expensive, especially if you're on a tight budget. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can maintain a healthy ketogenic diet on a small budget. If you find this content helpful, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing to show your support. It really means a lot to me and helps me keep creating videos for you. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support. First, let's talk about the basics of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has become popular in recent years as a way to lose weight and improve health. It is based on a metabolic process known as ketosis, which is the body's way of using stored fat for energy. The ketogenic diet has been shown to be effective for weight loss and has been used to treat certain medical conditions such as epilepsy and diabetes. The ketogenic diet puts the body into a state of ketosis. This is a natural metabolic process in which the body uses stored fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This process produces ketones, which are molecules that the body can use for energy. The ketogenic diet typically involves limiting the intake of carbohydrates to less than 50 grams per day. This means avoiding most grains, starchy vegetables and fruits, as well as processed foods. Instead, foods such as meat, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds and healthy fats such as olive oil and avocados should be eaten. The potential benefits of the ketogenic diet are numerous. It can help with weight loss, blood sugar control and lower cholesterol levels. It can also help improve energy levels, reduce inflammation and improve brain function. Additionally, the ketogenic diet has been shown to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer and neurological diseases. However, there are potential risks associated with the ketogenic diet. These include dehydration, nutrient deficiencies, and an increased risk of kidney stones. Additionally, it is important to monitor cholesterol levels and blood sugar levels when following the ketogenic diet. It is also important to be aware of the potential side effects of the ketogenic diet, such as fatigue, nausea, and constipation. Additionally, it is important to note that the ketogenic diet can be difficult to adhere to long term. Now that we've discussed the basics of the ketogenic diet, let's look at how you can maintain a healthy ketogenic diet on a small budget. The first thing to do is to plan your meals ahead of time. This will help you save money by buying only the ingredients you need for your meals and avoiding wastage. It is also important to buy in bulk, as this can help you save money. Buying items like nuts, seeds and frozen vegetables in bulk can be a great way to save money. Next, try to buy foods that are in season. Seasonal food is usually cheaper and fresher than out-of-season food. You should also look for deals and discounts. Many supermarkets offer discounts on certain items or have special offers, so it's worth checking them out. Finally, you should try to cook meals at home. This will help you save money, as well as allowing you to control the ingredients in your meals. Cooking at home also allows you to make larger portions that you can save the next day or freeze for later use. So, now I'll be showing you the 10 best ketogenic diet foods that are also affordable. And I'm not just talking about the cheapest food you can find, I'm talking about the best ketogenic foods that are still within your budget. First up, we have ham. This is a great food for a ketogenic diet because it's high in protein and low in carbs. It's also a great source of vitamins and minerals, and it's usually cheaper than other meat sources. Try adding it to salads or even just eating it as a snack. Next, we have lard. This is a surprisingly healthy fat for a ketogenic diet, and it's cheaper than butter or cooking oil. Lard is rich in monounsaturated and saturated fats, which are essential for a ketogenic diet. It's also high in vitamin D and other nutrients. Use it to cook or fry your food. Eggs are another excellent ketogenic food. They're high in protein and low in carbs, and they're also very affordable. Use them to make omelettes, scrambles and frittatas. Salami is another great ketogenic food. It's high in fat and protein and low in carbs, and it's also usually pretty affordable. Pickled olives are an excellent ketogenic food that's also affordable. They're full of healthy fats and they're a great source of vitamins and minerals. Once again, great with salads or just as a snack. Extra virgin olive oil is also an excellent choice for a ketogenic diet. It may seem expensive to buy, but it's actually quite cheap in terms of calorie density. It's also rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making it a great addition to any ketogenic diet. Frozen chicken is another great ketogenic food. It's high in protein and low in carbs, and it's usually pretty affordable. Use it to make curries, stir-fries, soups, or just eat it as a snack. Double cream is also a great ketogenic food. It's high in fat and low in carbs, and it's usually pretty affordable. Use it to make sauces with stock cubes, herbs and spices. Minced beef is another excellent ketogenic food. It's high in fat and protein and low in carbs, and it's usually pretty affordable. Use it to make burgers or meatballs. Finally, we have pork scratchings. These are a great ketogenic food because they're high in fat and low in carbs. They're also usually pretty affordable, a perfect option for snacking throughout the day. However, despite there being a myriad of options for snacking on the ketogenic diet, it could be argued that both the cheapest and healthiest option for maintaining this diet would be to stick to eating just one meal a day. First, eating one meal a day allows you to maximise your fat burning potential. When you eat one meal a day, your body goes into a state of fasting and begins to burn fat for fuel. This means that your body is burning fat instead of carbohydrates, which helps you reach your ketosis goals faster. Second, eating one meal a day is a great way to save time and energy. When you only have to prepare one meal a day, you don't have to worry about planning, shopping and cooking all your meals. This makes it easier to stick with the ketogenic diet because you don't have to spend hours in the kitchen. Third, eating one meal a day helps you control your appetite. When you eat one meal a day, you're only eating once, and this helps you control your cravings and hunger. This makes it easier to stick to the ketogenic diet and not give in to cravings. Finally, eating one meal a day can help you save money. When you have to buy ingredients for one meal a day, you can save money on groceries since you don't have to buy as much food. Overall, eating one meal a day is the best option for a ketogenic diet because it helps maximise your fat burning potential, saves time and energy, controls your appetite and saves money. So if you're looking to start a ketogenic diet, one meal a day could be the best option for you. We hope this video has helped you understand how to maintain a healthy ketogenic diet on a small budget. Remember to plan your meals ahead of time, buy in bulk, buy seasonal foods, look for deals and discounts and cook at home. Good luck and happy ketoing. If this content was valuable to you, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing to show your support. It really means a lot to me and helps me to keep creating videos for you. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.